A very good morning to my dear children. This is Supriya teacher. You know children, tomorrow is Ganesh Chaturthi, which means Ganpati Bappa's birthday. So let's do a wall hanging by making Ganpati Bappa with some leaves.
For that, we need around 8 to 9 leaves and glue. Okay, let's start. Apply glue on a leaf like this and place it like this to make Bappa's body. Come on, stick. Very good. Now take another leaf and apply glue and place it like this to make face of Ganapati. Like this. Very good, children. Now let's make legs. Okay? Take a leaf, apply glue and place it slanting over here like this. Place it slanting, okay? Now take one more leaf and place it slanting over here, just like this. Now let's make hands for our Ganpati by sticking 2 more leaves, one over here and the other over here like this. See children, our Ganpati Bappa is getting ready. And you know children, Ganpati Bappa has a face of Elephanto, right? So he has a long trunk and big fan-like ears. So we need to apply glue on 2 leaves and stick them like this, and the ears are ready. See children, the ears are ready. Very good. Now with a black marker pen, we will draw 2 dots to make eyes. Children, you can also stick thin stem like this to make Bappa's eyes. One sleeping line like this and one curve like this. Like this. Wait. Yeah. One sleeping line and a curve. Bappa's eyes are ready, looking at us with lots of love. You can put tika for our Bappa like this. Like this, you can put tika. Our Ganpati wall hanging is ready. Children, if you find difficult to do this Ganpati with leaves, you can make a mouse who is also called Mushaka. For that, you just need to stick a big leaf like this to make body, and then stick a small leaf like this to make face. And for tail, you can stick any thin leaf like this to make tail. Very good. Like this. Okay. Now take 2 tiny leaves like this to make ears. Stick one over here and one here to make ears. Very good. Now, with a black marker pen, we will draw 2 dots, 1 dot, 2 dot to make eyes. You can draw a smiley also. Very good. Our mouse is also ready. Wow. Children, if you wish to make Ganpati, you can do so, or you can make mouse out of leaves. Any one you can make. Okay?
Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Bye children.